The driveway is a winter wonderland. Looks great covered in snow, because you can't see every problem with it. But right here is where I'm gonna put a garage. So I only have to plow the very top of it, because plowing this would be a nightmare. So one might wonder in the snow, how am I going to get up and down the driveway from the cabin to the garage and back? And the answer is an electric snowmobile. Turns out, price-wise, they cost as much as a new, high-quality gas model. And occasionally there's sales where you can get a base model for the same price that you could get a gas one with all the bells and whistles and all that. Hey, look, it's the bottom of the driveway and there's no water in it because there's no spring down there. How amazing. Okay, here is our catastrophe that I came to take a look at. Pond berm still eroding. Water right here. Water right there. Not good. And there's my solstice trees. I was going to offer one to somebody. And what the hell is in my pond? Hang on, everybody. I'm going to try to get across here. Leap! Okay. Well, this is still wet. It's keeping these two trees nice and fresh. This is a lovely solstice tree for somebody who needs one if they can get up here. Holy shit, a tree fell in the fucking pond. Huh. Do I try to get it out or leave it here? Fucking tree fell on the pond. Look at that. Wow. That's a big branch. I don't think I can reach that without falling right in, so I think that's going to stay there until spring. I have to come back and get a rope to get that out. What do you think, Buck? I think it's too dangerous to try to go over there and get it. Yeah, there's ice on the pond, but not thick enough for me to step on. Yeah, I will end up in the pond trying to get that without a rope. With a hook on it or something. It looks like it's staying in there till spring. We probably don't want it floating to the bottom though, so it'd be a great idea to retrieve it before the ice melts. So, yeah, we got a branch in the pond. Here we have our spring next to the driveway, which just needs a proper berm next to it, and it's flowing right out of the ground and going into here where we got a nice little water body continuing on that way. And here is the driveway, and we can see there is zero water flowing in the driveway because there is no spring in the driveway. And the excavator operator really chose this hill to die on and fucking quit over this. Okay, your choice, pal. Oof. So that's fun.